I had actually gotten laid off. I wanted a job that could provide for me and my family. I've always been interested in welding. The VSRA pre-hired program through Tidewater Community College is a program that I went through. It's a 3-week program where you learn vertical and horizontal stick welding. It helped prepare me to get into the shipyard. I put in an application for the program and I heard back 2 days after I got laid off that I was getting in.
Shield down, visor up.
I'm looking to make this a lifelong career. I think it's a really good job that can definitely support a family. From being laid off to 4 weeks later having a job at Newport News Shipbuilding, that just goes to show how fast the program is, how well prepared you can become within that short amount of time. I would just encourage anyone to apply for it because it made a difference in my life.